Sounds like it's still missing after putting other coils on it. So I'm going to say it's still possibly a weak valve spring. Or it hasn't warmed up quite yet. And I forgot to say howdy, tubers. Everybody gonna be mad now. Anyways, howdy, tubers. James and his ugly Zenith. They gotta fly good for being so ugly. But it's got a miss in it for some reason. And just changing all kinds of things, and it's apparently still having a miss unless it's just not quite warmed up. You gotta put the pedal to the metal there. There she starts missing. He ain't a happy camper, I bet. Nobody up there fleeing. Like a Cherokee. Here he goes again. He likes doing wheelies. He's probably the highest time Zenith pilot on the ground. Oh man. He wants to put a Rotax in there, well, a 912 kind of thing in it. With 80 horse, and he's got 80 horse there, and the one he's got located, anybody knows, I know Matt knows because he gave the phone number to James from some guys down in Lamar, but James talked to Hal, if you know who Hal is, that wins a lot of them stole competitions. He's supposed to have an engine that he would sell James, a 912. I just think he needs to spend like maybe $200 or $300 and get a valve job and check the valve springs for tension to see if they got enough, since it'd been sitting, and of course it's been sitting for years, and some of them valve springs could be I lost a lot of their tension from just sitting. So that's what I keep telling him, is to just get a valve job. That'd be a heck of a lot cheaper than buying another engine, getting a motor mount, and then getting a prop and a radiator and all the other stuff, just to still have 80 horse. Although those Rotaxes really do good on gas. You've seen Vernon's Kit Fox that he got here. He gets like 1.5 a gallon. So that's pretty good. Well, I heard her breaking up there, buddy.
Yep.
So pull them heads off and get a valve job.
Rotax swap.
That's what I told him you'd say. What are they?
That one's about $450.
Well, there you go, tubers.